can order cocktail here too, guys. Wow. And they have food here. You can order food here too. It's really beautiful, this place. Hi guys, look at this. It's really beautiful. Wow. Very beautiful, guys. I love it. It's not so hot today. Rainy day and cloudy. All the cottage in here. Wow, guys, look at this, the chairs. Oh, very beautiful. Ay. People coming now. Beautiful beach. Wow, very fresh air and very relaxing, guys. That's a cute chairs and sitting there. It's raining. I love the rain. Yeah, I love the rain, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this, so beautiful. Relaxing here, drinking, eating, and swimming.